Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Normally it requires a lot of money to create a blog site, but today I will teach you how to create a blog site for free using a blog platform called Blogger. I'm making this video mainly for beginners who want to start a blog site. But please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on notification bell for more tech videos. Okay, let's go. Now go to your browser. You can use Chrome. Search for www.blogger.com. So this is the Blogger platform. This is your dashboard. Now just click on this menu icon here. And click on create blog. There are two details to fill. The first thing is choose a name for your blog. So this is the name that will appear, that will be displayed on the top of your blog. For example, health tips. Now it's time to choose a domain, that's a URL for your blog. This web address is how people will find your blog online. So let's choose something like health tips. Don't have to give a space, just a URL. Checking address availability. Okay, this blog address is not available. I have to choose another one. Let's say clues for help for health. Checking out. Okay, this blog address is available, so let's choose this clues for health. Processing. The URL is processing. Blog created. So your blog have been created. You can go to the menu. This is to add posts. This is the add post. This is to add post. This is your start, that's analytics. This is comments, and this is earnings, that's if you want to apply for AdSense earnings. This is page, this is layout, this is theme if you want to customize your theme, and this is settings. So this is how to create a free blog. So let's search for the blog. Let's search for the URL. Go to home and search for the web address. Clues for health.blogspot.com. That's the address. So this is the blog. So there's nothing here yet. So let's see if we can add the post. Let's add the post. So this is the dashboard. As you can see, no post yet. So go to the menu and search for and add the post. Just click on new post. So this is the title. To add a post, this is where you add up your title, the title of the post. So for example, let's add welcome to my blog. So this is the body of that's the article, the body of the post. So let's add the post. So let's just add this post. This is welcome to my new blog, Clues for Health. So you can also add photos, you can also add links, you can add stickers and many other things, but let's just use this. So click here to upload the post. This will publish to post to your blog. Confirm it. Post, publish. So let's check out for this post. Newsforhealth.blogspot.com. So as you can see, this is that post. So this is how to create a new blog. So these are simple procedures of how to create a free blog, and there are more features to learn, like how to connect to AdSense and make money, how to add a custom domain, and how to add a custom themes and many more. So just subscribe and wait for the video. Thanks.